Hello. So the other day I did a post and I said that I was going to come back and do a description about our other kits. So here's another kit that we have. It's called the Solution Kit. And what it consists of is our Iaso Detox Tea, which is graciously laying right there, our Resolution Drops, and the Nutraburst liquid vitamins. I don't know if you noticed, but in our most of our kits, two of the things that you will consistently see is the Nutraburst liquid vitamins and the Iaso detox tea. And that's because they are like the foundational products that everyone should be taking. Like I'm still taking these products every day. Being able to cleanse my body and rid it of parasites, chemicals, and toxins, things that we take in on a daily basis. That's what this Iaso detox tea does. It also helps people, our slogan is lose 5 pounds in 5 days, but you might not necessarily lose 5 pounds in 5 days. You might lose inches. The majority of the people, the 93 percenters, lose 5 pounds in 5 days. All right. Just from taking this tea. This tea is loaded with herbs, 9 herbs. Some of them are persimmon leaves, marshmallow leaves, holy thistle, blessed thistle, ginger, myrrh. I can't think of any more right now, but it's 9 natural herbs, right, that are inside of this product. And what it does is it goes inside of your body and it rids of all that gunk and junk that's inside of there. They say that we can live with up to 15 years of waste impacted into our intestines. And so that's what this detox tea does. It goes in and cleanses out all of that. So once you get a great cleanse, you're gonna be feeling lighter. You're gonna be feeling better because you're getting rid of all of the waste. Even though you have bowel movements, you don't necessarily push out everything that you intake. So this is going to allow you to be able to cleanse. A lot of people ask me if it's a laxative. It is not a laxative. It is a nice, gentle cleanse, and it does not have your intestine convulsing or contracting. It's a nice, smooth release. All right. Then the Nutraburst liquid vitamin will replenish what the Iaso detox tea takes out. And this vitamin is actually what it says. It's a multivitamin. The only thing is the difference between ours is it's liquid for one. And so you're going to get 98% absorption of the Nutraburst into your body. You're going to get 90%, 98%, excuse me, 98% absorbed into your bloodstream. So you're going to feel it more. You're going to have more energy. Your skin, your nails, because it has biotin in it, are going to be refreshed. They're going to look, regenerated. I mean, it's just going to put you back into a place of optimal health. So these two together are phenomenal for being able to help you starting off your kit. But then they add in the resolution drops. So what the resolution drops do is they help you suppress your appetite in conjunction with the meal plan, because there's a meal plan that you follow with this. They will help you suppress your appetite and stave off those cravings. We call it a coach in a bottle because when you try to eat something that you shouldn't be eating, you're going to know it. You're going to feel uncomfortable, right? So that's what the resolution drops does. And for people that are, a lot of people say just need to stop eating. You just need to do this. You just need to do that. Well, for a lot of people, they can't just do that, right? So our products, what they do is they just kind of aid you into getting into a healthy regimen, a healthy lifestyle, getting you back on course with doing things the correct way. And then once you find your way of doing those things, then you continue on eating healthy, eating those proteins, those fruits, those vegetables that you're supposed to be eating anyway, going to the outside perimeter of the store rather than the inside where all the junk is. So they just give you direction in how you should go about it. Now, this is most people doing these three products together usually you lose anywhere from 20 to 30 pounds within a month. It's the same thing with the Get Fit Kit. You lose 20 to 30 pounds. Have we had people that lost more? Yes, we have. Have we had people that lost less? Yes, we have. And the people that lose the least are the ones that normally will tweak the plan. Or they say, oh, I don't have time to meal prep. Well, you don't have to meal prep. It's desired that you meal prep because that's going to get you closer to your goals. But you don't necessarily have to do that, because when you go to the store, you go to the fast food restaurants, you don't have to have the bread. You can ask them to give you the meat without the bread. You can lettuce wrap us some meat, right? You can do things differently. You can make your own dressing. Yeah, with packets of stuff. You can get, the condiment packets, and you can make honey mustard. Yes, you can. Honey mustard salad dressing. You don't have to get the dressing that they have already pre-made with a whole bunch of sugar in it, right? You can go ahead and you can ask for a pack of honey, some mustard, mix it together, put a little vinegar in it if you want to for that twang. But most of the time I just do the honey mustard and the honey and the mustard packets together, blend it up. Oh my God, when you're talking about a good salad dressing, and it's without all of those calories. So it's just different things like that that you can do. Like I said, teaching you how to live a healthier lifestyle and making better choices. So guys, if you want to get started, again, today, this kit is called the Solution Kit, right? The Resolution Drops, the Iaso Detox Tea, and the Nutraburst Liquid Vitamin. All right. Get with me today. I'm going to put my link inside of the comment section, and you can go on my website and you can place your order today. And it usually takes 4 to 7 days. You'll be ready by the 1st of February. Set a goal. That first Monday in February, I'm going to get started. All right. You make it a great, great day. See you on the other side of healthy.